Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It's a very festive vibe in Saigon. Vietnam is getting ready to welcome the new Lunar Year, which is also called Tet or Chinese New Year. It's celebrated in many countries in Asia. These visuals are from one of the Tet market or Lunar New Year market. They had a lot of stalls where they sell things to decorate the homes, and there are quite a lot of traditions related to the Lunar New Year. So I'm gonna share a few. The first thing is sending off the kitchen gods. Very interesting. So according to Vietnamese belief, there are 3 gods that reside in every kitchen to kind of oversee the things that go on in every household. Super cool belief actually. And on 23rd of last month of a lunar year, they buy 3 fish, koi fish or carp fish, and these fish represent the 3 gods, and they send these fish off in a river. And the belief is these fish, they go to they meet the ruler of gods. He's known as Jade Emperor. Very interesting belief. And these fish, they go and they talk to the emperor about how the household things are going. The next thing is, if you Google Vietnamese Lunar New Year or Lunar New Year, most of the time this bánh chưng or Vietnamese Tet cake pops up. Well, I asked my friends, and I think Google has been lying to us. It was the case before. It's not easy to make this cake, so usually mainly in the cities it's not happening anymore. Not quite sure about this, but it was a big tradition before. I think now they buy it from the shop. Not sure. People who are watching, comment what's happening related to this Tet cake. Tet is the time when people, when families and friends gather together in their homes, and big meals and everything is a part of traditions. The most interesting one I found is called Song Dat. I'm definitely saying it wrong. It's welcoming the first visitor of the year. So the first visitor of the year, of the Lunar New Year, is supposed to bring good luck. Well, it's like whoever comes to the house on the first day, the whole year kind of depend on this person. That's a lot of pressure for someone, you know. Guys, whoever came to your house in 2020 and 2021, don't let them come. Try someone else. Ask them to hold on for a week, you know. So yeah, that's a very interesting belief. But if I were the first person, it's too much pressure on this guy or the girl, whoever is coming to your house. Goodness. Giving lucky money is another tradition during Tet. In my states, in India, we also got a celebration called Vishu. During Vishu, we also give money to our friends and relatives. That's kind of very similar to Tet, but it's different days though. Vishu happens in April. The next tradition is to go to temples and pagodas to pray for luck and prosperity throughout the new year. That's really cool. So yeah, these are the things I understood about the Vietnamese Lunar New Year traditions. I'm no expert in this, thanks to my friends, and this online newspaper is called smartlocal.com, where I took this information from. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing, and I wish all of you a very happy Lunar New Year.